What's up, Faith Family? Jarvis God of Warrior Jarvis YT here, and today we're going to be showing you how to fix the issue of the audio waveform not showing in Adobe Premiere. Now, you may come across this issue from time to time, and it's really hard to get the program to actually generate the waveform when you want it to. So today I'm going to be showing you how to fix that. So the first thing you can try doing is selecting the clip with the issue, going to the top of the screen where it says clip, and then clicking on this option right here, generate audio waveform, and that may work, sometimes it may not. So the second solution, and this is the one that's going to work for you the most often, is you select the clip, right click on it in this menu, click on where it says unlink so that the video is unlinked from the audio, then click on the audio portion, which is now separate, right click on it again, and then click on this option right here, render and replace. So we're going to wait for that to render and replace. Depending on how long your original video was, it'll take either like 30 seconds or up to like 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, and with that we have a new rendered audio waveform right here. It works pretty much normally right now, and you'll find a copy of this new waveform in your project folder. And so what you want to do next is you want to click on the video and the audio, right click on them and link them again. So now you have basically the same like video clip that you had before, but you now have audio that you can actually see. And if this issue comes up again with the new audio, then really you can just like do the same trick again, which is unlink, then render and replace, and you're all golden. So yeah, I think with that, that'll wrap up this impromptu Adobe Premiere tutorial. I've been waiting for this issue to pop up again so I could show you guys how to fix it, but you know, I really hope this helped you out, because Adobe, they have not been helpful when it comes to this issue, and it doesn't seem like they're going to fix it anytime soon, because I have no idea when Premiere 2024 is coming out. But yeah, either way, thank you all for watching. I've been your host, Jarvis God, and stay tuned for more diecast content, and I will see you guys in the next one.